Experience the fusion of heritage and high fashion. This is the pinnacle of craftsmanship, rendered in premium vegetable tanned leather.
Feel the rich, supple grain of our premium leather. Every stitch, every fold speaks to a heritage of precision tailoring and power.
Crafted with precision, embodying the strength and rich heritage of Indian craftsmanship. This is where tradition meets modern luxury. We craft every jacket with unparalleled precision. Notice the impeccable stitching and the genuine horn accent. Precision tailoring meets unparalleled luxury. This isn't just a jacket, it's a statement.
Crafted from the finest supple leather, this jacket represents the pinnacle of modern luxury, blending tradition with high technology.
True luxury is found in the details. Every stitch, every button, aligned by the hands of a master artisan.
Crafted from the finest deep brown wool, featuring genuine horn accents. A perfect fusion of tradition and innovation, tailored for the modern man.
Crafted for the modern era, yet rooted in strength. This is where heritage meets high fashion.
Every stitch tells a story of precision. This is where the journey in a jacket. From this finished masterpiece, back to the raw, untamed source. We honor the material at every step.
From this exquisite finish, we trace the journey back through the transformation process to the raw. In the heart of Uttar Pradesh, where the land meets the sky at golden hour, the Brahman bull stands as a symbol of From these humble beginnings, a cultural strength emerges, bridging ancient craft with modern industry.
Deep in the outback, the journey begins. From these rugged hides, the finest leather will be born.
Crane operator, secure the bundle and move it to the eastern conveyor. Watch the pressure gauges.
The precise application of our curing agents ensures maximum penetration, preparing the hide for the next phase with unparalleled softness.
Attention all personnel, Vatmusby is reaching peak capacity.
Mechanically synchronized, the hides move rapidly through the tanning drums. Water and steam are crucial as the rich brown color develops under dramatic lighting.
The precision of the cut reveals the true richness of the leather. Now, on to the next stage.
The transformation is precise. Every hide steeped until the perfect shade is achieved. Through the precise application of steam and conditioning agents, we unlock the true potential of the hide.
This hide is exceptional.
Yes, the finish on the brown is perfect for the horn toggles.
Ensure the panels align perfectly before the next stage.
Yes, calibrating now.
Check the stitching on the collar here.
Looks good. Consistent tension.
The stitching is flawless. This one meets our highest standards.
We test every hide for maximum durability and resilience. This ensures the craftsmanship meets our exacting standards.
Everything looks perfect on this batch.
Ready for immediate shipment.
Quality assurance check complete. This garment is approved for shipment.
This batch looks exceptional, doesn't it?
Absolutely. The finish on the horns is perfect.
We need 2 more pallets for the Seoul shipment.
Coming right up. Keep the line moving.
Seams are perfect, hardware secure. This one is ready for packaging.
Crafted for the connoisseur. Experience the pinnacle of modern luxury.
Crafted for the journey ahead. Experience the new standard of luxury.
Here at the facility, we are redefining zero waste. By transforming every byproduct,
Utilizing every scrap, we transform repurposed horn and leather waste into high-detail accessories, proving the power of the circular economy.
Quality is not just made, it is bred. From the finest materials to the open horizon, we craft your legacy.
We need to expedite the laser cutting on the next batch.
Confirmed. Adjusting the speed now.
The hide is moving through the scrubbers now. Water levels are holding steady.
The process is stable. We are maintaining the correct temperature and rotation speed for the batch.
We need to move the shaved material to station 3.
All right, bring the cart over here.
The deep immersion ensures a consistent, rich mahogany finish. Here, our hides achieve their luxurious softness through fast precision machinery. It's how we elevate the quality of every product.
Repurposed horn, meticulously shaped by hand. It's how we define sustainable luxury.
Crafted for the modern age, yet rooted in tradition. This is the legacy woven into every stitch.
Meticulously crafted in our state-of-the-art facility. Every detail, from the horn accents to the rich leather, speaks of premium quality.
From the raw material to the final polish, every stage is a testament to our enduring legacy of craftsmanship and precision.
From the hands of the artisan to the heart of the wild, true strength is elegantly crafted.
Watch the weight on this one. Yeah, grab it here. Clear the line, move in the next batch. Keep an eye on the temperature gauge.
Will do. We're holding steady at 90.
The hides are accepting the solution perfectly. Maintain current parameters for the next cycle.
maintain speed at 1200 RPM. The split looks perfect.
Seam alignment is perfect here. Good. The steam application is complete. Ready for final packaging.
Ensure the ribbon is perfectly centered on that one. Then we can move it to the staging area. Perfect condition. Approved for production.
Make sure the labels are facing up.
Got it. This one goes to crate 4.
Crafted from the finest leather, blending heritage with modern elegance. This is the new standard of power.
A masterpiece of tailoring, the velvet blazer defines luxury for the modern age.
This is the circular economy in action. We're transforming waste into resources.
Precision craftsmanship allows us to give these materials a second life, a powerful statement of style and sustainability.
Where ancient heritage meets modern luxury, woven with the soul of the village.
Where raw strength meets refined luxury, a timeless tradition is reborn.